Hey everyone, welcome back. So lately, I kept seeing people online talking about this bingo frenzy method that supposedly gives unlimited diamonds and tickets. At first, I honestly didn't buy it. There are loads of videos and comments like this everywhere, and most of the time, it's just fake or a waste of time. But since so many players were mentioning it, I decided to try it myself and see what actually happens. So in this video, I'm going through everything step by step, and at the end we'll check if it really worked or not. First thing I needed was my player ID. I opened Bingo Frenzy and went straight into my profile section. Luckily, the ID was right there, though in some games you usually have to dig through settings to find it. Once I had it, I just copied it so I could use it in the next step. So far, pretty quick and simple. After that, I opened the browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but honestly I don't think it really matters which browser you use. Then I typed in the website everyone's been talking about lately. The page loaded almost instantly, and surprisingly there weren't a bunch of annoying redirects or random pop-ups everywhere. Everything looked pretty simple and easy to understand. Once the site loaded, I looked up Bingo Frenzy in the game list and selected it. Then I chose my device type. I'm on Android, but there was also an option for iOS users too. After that, I pasted my player ID into the box and quickly double-checked everything before moving on. Up to this point, everything was actually going way smoother than I expected. Next, I had to select how much of the resource I wanted. Since I wanted to properly test this, I went with one of the larger amounts just to see if anything would really happen. After I confirmed it, the site started showing loading bars and different progress animations. I mean, it definitely looked convincing, but visuals alone don't really prove much. Right before finishing, there was also a short verification step, which honestly wasn't anything unusual for sites like this. I already completed that part earlier, so now it was time to check the actual results. This was the moment I was really waiting for. After everything finished, I jumped back into Bingo Frenzy and checked my diamonds and tickets. And somehow, the extra resources were already there instantly. I didn't need to restart the game or wait around for anything to update. It just showed up right away. Honestly, that part surprised me more than I expected. Anyway, now you've seen the full test from start to finish, so you can decide what you think about it. If you've tried something like this in Bingo Frenzy before, drop a comment and let me know what happened for you. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll probably be testing more stuff like this soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.